Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be unboxing these things. I already started opening one. So let's start this right now. Let's see this. Okay, we got another person. I've only got a farmer and I've got two farmers and then like some. Ew, it's a nerd. It's a child. Like I've only got like two of these. I've got two farmers and two woolies men, so I don't care about putting them, I don't know what it is. The arms on. I forgot what these things were called. These things. I don't know why. I think I got like an orthodontist. I don't know. What if I did? I don't know. Let's read the instructions. Just gotta stay down. And this one, I don't know what it is. Let's just build it and then we'll see after. That's actually cute. That's cuter than I thought. Bro, what is this? Oh, I think it's this way. Just gotta stand there and hear me cry. That's right, because love the way you lie. Just gotta stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright because you feel this way. Oh my god, that was scary. Okay, this guys, I love these songs and I kind of stop singing them. It's not the father. Woo! I love TikTok. I can't put this fucking hair on. Yeah, whatever. We're just gonna put the stickers on and it's gonna be a person with no hair. My brother will do it. If that his girlfriend's house. My brother will do it. He's a nice person, I think. Wait, what? It doesn't make sense. What is it? I don't know what it is. Just gonna stand there. Oh, it's like, I get it now. I know who it is. I know what it is now. Gonna stand here. I know what it is now. Like a person with a yellow vest on or something. I don't know. I think. Okay, it's a person with no hair and no arms because I suck putting the arms on. And I suck putting the hair on. I just figured that out. Those are the ones I have not opened also, actually. If I get a bush, then I'm not putting it. This doesn't feel like a bush. That's why I feel. Oh my god. That's why I feel. What would this be? That's why I feel them before I build them. What is this, bro? What did I get? Please. Solar panels. Oh wow. Bro, you just need to put the stickers on. That's it. I got this feeling on a summer day when you were gone. I crossed my car to the bridge. I want you to let it burn. I threw your sheet into the back and push it downstairs. I crashed my car into a bridge, bitch. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it. Let's keep going. I'm almost done with solar panels. It took me like 4 minutes to do that intro. Do they go together? I don't know. Solar panels. Are they like iPads? I want them to be iPads. Solar panels. Okay, let's put them. I've never got them before. I've never ever got that person. All of these are kind of new to me. Like seriously. I swear. Let's see what else I get. This doesn't feel like... Yeah, it feels like something I've never got before. Don't tell me I ripped it again. Don't tell me. Really? I got broccoli. Broccoli, I think. Yeah, broccoli. Broccoli. Wow, I don't need the instructions. I've got this before. I've definitely got this before. I've already got 2 broccolis. Like, seriously. Oh my god. This is so annoying. I've got 2 broccolis already. I just ended with the understand. Crash my car into a bridge. I don't care. I love it. Took me like 5 minutes to do the intro. Oh my god. I got 4 in 1. Nah, kidding. I have 3 more left. Let's open the rest. Ooh, I think I've never got this before. Does not look familiar. Oh, I got a fence. I've never got a fence. I've only got 1 animal. Yeah, 1 animal. Thing. Yeah, I've only got like 1 animal. Nothing else. Let's build this fence. So what I need is these 2 and then these 2 and then I put them onto this part, onto the top of it, but then there's something on top of it, and then that's a fence. My fence! This looks cool. You can make it bigger by putting it on top. That would be cool. Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna sit down the back and take it downstairs. Berry crate. Okay, I don't need the crate because I already have some berries. So like, why? Why do you do this? Oh my god! I think I need to put some carrots in the odd bunch. Just carrots. Seriously, I don't care. I don't care at this point. I already have some berries, so I'm just gonna put them in the other berry cream. I'm just gonna put them in the actual other berry cream. Okay. I'll go back to it. It's a little bird. I'm gonna shit into the mat and push the downstairs. Oh, that song is stuck in my head. Not a lot of berries. Look at that, a lot of berries. Okay, let's keep going. We have 1 more, guys. So same. Okay, let's see. Let's see what this is. Oh, wait. I got lettuce. I got that before, but I messed it up. So, yeah, I messed it up, and then I got, like, really mad. So then, and I couldn't replace it, so it was really annoying. So I might throw that one in the bin that I already have. I crashed my car into a bridge. I don't care. Oof, oof, oof. Okay, wait. Yeah, yes. Let's do some TikToks together. And if you don't know them, oh my god, I'm gonna teach you. Okay, let's get started. So we've done the unboxing. And now I'm showing you some TikToks, and if you don't know them, then I will teach you them. Okay, so like Bumblebee. Oh, frick. Can I like... Oh, frick, what the hell? Wait, what? Wait, why am I sideways? Oh, frick. What? That doesn't make sense. Oh, I'm moving the tape. It's like, these up on me, I know what you do for me. Like, how do you guys not know that if you don't? So like, these up on me, like that. Please come rescue me, and then point at you. Then these like this twice, and these, and then changing it one, two, these up on me, and then like these. I know what you went, sweet little bumblebee. I know what you want from me. Like da-da, like that, okay? Hope you got it. Let's show you one more. It's really easy. You just go like that, like bam bam. 1, 2, clap, and then you put that down and go like that. But you can do it on your hair if you want, but I prefer you don't. You do this at the start, like when it says it, 5050. And then you don't touch, so like 50. Okay, I'm doing it. 1, 2, clap like that. 1, 2, clap like that. Perfect, guys. Now let me see you do it. Yes, perfect, guys. Now remember to subscribe. I will ask you if you see me and you're like, oh my god, Mom, that's my favorite YouTuber, like, or whatever. I will, and then if you come up to me, I will say, can I see your friend? I want to see if you actually subscribe to me, because I will go see how many subscribers I have. So, bye guys. I'm going to do this, like, every single time, because some of you can be watching and you can do sign language. So, like, bye guys, like, sign language. Bye. Bye. Like, bye. And like, so that's bye in sign language, I think, yeah. Wait. Like, bye. 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 Bye, guys. Bye. Remember to subscribe. I want to see that subscribe button red.